So I went to the craft store and I bought pre-sticky, aka adhesive jewelry. And the reason why I chose to get this as opposed to jewelry that I had to glue on is because it's just easier. And I happen to be working with foam material, so I can actually stick the You can place the jewelry anywhere you want on your puppet, but since my ears are foam, I'm going to put them on that. And I'm just going to put it right on the tip. You can choose where you want to put it. I'm going to put it right on the tip and just hold it down. It's always good to hold down for 30 seconds. And you could also glue this. One way you might think of gluing this is if you have a glue gun. That's always a good way to adhere to sort of harder pieces of material together. But today I don't really have to worry about that since I bought these adhesive jewels. So I'm just pressing them together, and then it just adds a little bit of a sparkle and shine to this puppet. Makes it a little more interesting to look at.